Hello, I'm Brad Ragland, National Account Manager at REMA Tip Top North America. Today we'd like to talk about the importance of pre-buff cleaner and how it's vital to the REMA Standard repair process. REMA Tip Top is a group of companies, REMA, PREMA, and KEX. Each brand has a dedicated system for the repair. The reason we call it pre-buff cleaner is to identify when it should be used in the process. Pre-buff cleaner should be used before buffing. Pre-buff cleaner removes contamination and mold release lubricants from the repair area. This allows you to buff on a properly prepared and clean surface. This step should be performed 2 to 3 times to make sure the contaminants are completely removed before buffing. If this step is skipped, contaminants remain in the repair area, which increases the chance of repair failure. It can also shorten the life of the buffing wheel. Be sure to use pre-buff cleaner before buffing in every tire repair process. Following every step, even the ones that seem simple, is what defines the REMA standard and ensures a repair you can trust.